What's next for silver next week? Let's go over some gold and silver prices this morning, this Saturday. Happy Saturday. And we'll talk about what's going to happen next week. Good morning, everybody. Happy coffee. Everybody made it to Saturday, but SSC, right? I've got to work this morning, everybody, but that's okay. When you have a real job, just like the rest of you, we got to work, right? But hey, happy Saturday to everybody out there. Another roller coaster ride a bit on silver this week. I've been looking at some graphs this morning, checking everything out. Happy coffee, by the way, and happy Saturday. At least I get to go in 1 hour later this morning, right? Make sure, everybody, to comment on these videos. We really appreciate you. From my living room to your living room, we thank you for watching. And it helps the channel to actually watch the videos, not just say good morning and then move on. I'd really appreciate it, even if you don't like them. Excuse me, allergies and full force. Just hit that mute button. Anyway, guys, it was still a good run for silver this week. A good run for platinum, palladium, rhodium, a bad run for some. We'll go over that here in a minute. Let's go over some prices. Look, I was going to do a copper video this morning. And basically what this video is going to be about, the actual, well, I didn't crunch the numbers out, but the processes of what it takes to mine copper, to bring it out of the mine, to get it into a workable metal, to send it to the minting company, to get it pure, to send it, to have it poured, to have it stamped, to have, and that also goes for making products like pipes and such, and copper pipes and rods and all that, to have pure copper or that bright wire. So we were going to do that this morning, but I got home. It took me 2 hours to get home last night. It was terrible. Some foreign truck driver wasn't paying attention, and he crashed into like 4 cars. So how about that? Anyway, I was not very happy. So I decided not to do it. We're going to do it tomorrow for tomorrow's video. So make sure you keep an eye on out. It's sure to be a copper video. Copper videos always kill it. And I got some copper or some silver pickup videos to show you, some other pickup videos to show you. And I got some new copper pickups too. So let's go right into gold. Happy coffee, everybody. Happy Saturday once again. Gold is at $4,064.20. Oh, God. That blueberry muffin coffee is good, but I need to switch it up a little bit. And that's all I got right now. It's all Mrs. SSC got me. I need to get back to my hazelnut coffee. I kind of miss it. Here we are. Silver, $49.94, guys. It tottered below 48 yesterday a little bit, and then came back up, and it kind of hung 48 all day yesterday. And then wow. And then by the end of the day, it started really cranking back up, and we're almost to 50 again. 50 seems to be the benchmark. The asking was 50.06. The actual bid, 49.94. Silver still murdering it, guys. Platinum, 15.15, which is it's really good. It ended up $1 over higher, and Platinum is really difficult to get out of the ground, guys. Mine, and that's one of the reasons why the premiums are so expensive. But like all other metals, I want to explode every time I hear somebody talk about premiums. If you hold your gold, your silver, your platinum, your numismatics, your expensive silver coins that you pay a lot of money for, like I buy a lot of those. You hold them long enough, guys, you come out. So stop talking about premiums. If you're like stacking really, really heavy, and you want to get 1,000 ounces, 2,000 ounces, yeah, go buy the most inexpensive, ugly silver that you can. It doesn't matter. Silver is silver. And that way you can get your weight counts up. I have 40 pounds of silver or 50 pounds of silver or whatever. You know, that's fantastic. But the premium stuff, man, I don't know who stuck that in our brains, but it's ridiculous. You hold your stuff long enough. All that matters is what it's worth now, what it's worth today, and what you could sell it for today if you sold it. That's all that matters. I paid this for it. I sold it for this. You either lose money or you make money, right? I mean, it's just common sense. So you guys can hate me for that, but that's okay. That is my rant this morning, right? Palladium is at 1364. Rhodium is at 7630. Golly. Hey, Sess, shout out to you this morning, guy. Shout out to Psycho Silver, too. Love that guy. He always comments. Everybody, all y'all guys comment. Gals, everybody. I try to respond. Sometimes it takes me a day or two, but I get there. The gold to silver ratio right now, everybody. Where is it? Oh, I got to scroll down a little bit further. We're 81.38, so silver's kind of catching up a little bit with gold. Gold's still a major player. It always will be. It is the first, I think, go-to safe haven, 4,064.20. But guys, we got to admit, there's a lot of people that can't afford to buy gold. You can buy it in fractionals. Oh, happy coffee. And I've got some fractionals. I kind of like fractionals. Yeah. Do you pay more for them? Yeah. But is it easier to get? Absolutely. Is it budget friendly for some? Yes, it is. I've got some 1 ounce gold. I have more silver, trust me, than I have gold. But I love all of it. But I need some platinum. I need some platinum, guys. I pretty much need all metals, right? I diversify in just about anything. So, but remember, always get what you want and what you enjoy, whether it be copper, titanium, nickel, aluminum, lead. I mean, whatever makes you happy, guys. Just remember, some of it makes you more money than others. All metals, industrial metals especially, are worth money. Some cost more, some don't cost more. It's all worth money. It's not like you're getting something that is, I drank this coffee right here, this coffee's gone, right? If I have a piece of copper or a piece of tin or a piece of titanium, it's still worth money. Is it worth a whole lot? Well, who knows? But once you drink this coffee's gone. So just something to think about. So gold backs ended up, they did go up with gold yesterday to 820 exchange rate, everybody. So gold backs, which are one of my favorite, they're doing good. Incidentally, let's just bring this up. Greg Westerman, going to have Mrs. SSC ship out this beautiful Dallas Fort Worth gold back, everybody. Wow, well deserving. We appreciate you watching. We appreciate everything. We announced it last night, yesterday in a short, and I'll probably be doing some more of these, guys. Not because I'm trying to gain subscribers, although that helps, but because I'm just me. I try to be giving. Now, can I give you a lot? I can't, but I try. So, congratulations, Greg. Once again, copper. Copper's actually coming up 508 roughly. That's doing good. And the big loser again, Bitcoin. Wow. Uh, as it's coming up just a little bit, it is 83,991. What a huge crash for Bitcoin. It did come up a little bit from yesterday, but hey, there you go. Here we go. Wow. So, what's everybody think about silver next week? I've been looking at the graphs and the averages, and it really, yeah, last week was actually pretty steady. It had some peaks and a few valleys. Mondays usually were really good days for precious metals, and they really rocketed up in price a lot of times, and even Fridays. And it did make a rally. Silver and gold made rallies yesterday, but not back over 50. So I think I'm going to say that we're probably going to go into a dip maybe next week. Then again, guys, we can actually go up. From what I've been looking at on all the graphs in the years past, December looks to be a dip in prices, although the demand goes up for silver and gold. But, they're really trying to hold gold and silver back, everybody. Silver is so strong, especially that the harder they pull, the harder it pushes. I mean, they pull it back $3-4 an ounce by selling off. They're taking their profits. The central banks are buying this stuff like crazy. They're controlling the price market. The traders, the stock market people, they're all controlling them. There's so many things involved in controlling this price market. But I think they're going to pull silver back again, and then they're going to buy, then sell off, and then do it all over again, maybe in December. Might have a dip. What are you going to do? Are you going to buy on the dip? Is it time to buy on the dip, everybody? I think it is. I'm going to hit some silver today. I'm going to get with Mrs. SSC and see what we can buy on our dollar cost average. And I've got some stuff coming in, but I'm going to hit some silver today, hoping I didn't, maybe I shouldn't have held back a little bit and then waited. But we'll find out Monday, and we'll find out Tuesday of next week. So everybody have a happy Saturday. I got to sleep in till about 4 a.m. this morning, so it was great. These videos have been really not doing good. I don't get it. I would think that everybody be hanging out with SSC and watching, and we're all talking and commenting, and maybe I need to do a live thing. I don't know, man. I heard the live thing kind of hurts the algorithm deal. Same goes for shorts. I've noticed that if I've posted more shorts, for some reason, my view counts go down on these videos. So, but really, I'm not in it to make money, so it doesn't matter. I still have a really high view count to subscriber count. It's very high, and thanks to you guys. Happy Saturday. I'll see you tomorrow. Be sure and watch the copper video. We'll see you tomorrow, and hopefully we'll try to figure out to post it on noon or so. Videos do terrible on Sundays, so I ask you to really push it tomorrow if you like it. If you don't like it, that's okay. Some people don't like copper videos. That's fine too, man. I do the silver, gold, copper, metals. I love it all. Gold backs, it's all great, guys. I love it. So don't hold me to being a bad person if you don't like the video I post. Hang in, I'll post yours. So SSC right here, Oklahoma, United States of America, right here, my living room, my Santa Clauses, my little green lights. To you guys, I'm out.